Today I'm going to go over our forward collision avoidance system, how to turn it on, how to set it up, and what it does. So I'll be right back after I flip the camera. All right, and we are back. Here's your driver information screen. It is located between your speedometer on the right and your RPM gauge on the left. How we get over to set up our forward collision avoidance system is by pressing the menu button twice. We go into driver assistance, and as you can see right there is forward collision avoidance. It's already enabled on this Tucson. So what forward collision avoidance does for you as a driver is it monitors the vehicle in front of you for braking. So if the vehicle in front of you suddenly stops and you're within the alarm zone, it will alarm, and then if you don't respond to that alarm, it will then slow you down. Now, to set up your alerts or your warning system, you go down to forward collision warning. There are 3 different settings. There's early, which is going to be about 2 car lengths. Normal is going to be about a car length and a half, and late is going to be about 1 car length. Okay. This system can be found on the 2019 Tucson, the 2019 Santa Fe, the 2019 Kona, the 2019 Elantra, and the 2019 Accent. So next week, we're going to talk about our lane keep assist. So please stay tuned, like and share, and please drop your comments below.